how do we say this sentence in Irish? Did you visit them recently? First of all, how do we say visit? Because we don't actually have a verb for visit in Irish. Well, we're going to phrase it as giving a visit on someone. So let's rephrase the sentence like that to make it easier for the translation. Did you give a visit on them recently is how it's going to be. Did you give hug to a visit, courts, and then on them is going to be erhu. And then after that, we just add our legéni at the ends for recently. So hug to courts erhu legéni. Even a short 5 or 6 word sentence like this can show you a lot of things that are really crucial to know. 1, the irregular verb. 2, knowing whether we're going to use on or with different verbs in the past or the present tense. On top of that, knowing your vocabulary, words like visit and recently, courts and legéni, and as well knowing your big 5 prepositions, eg, le, do, and o, and how they're going to change, whether it's with me, to you, or on them like we have here. Did you visit them recently? Hug to courts erhu legéni.